Oh, and they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. Oh.
Across the water, and I think all the things and what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture of well now since you come home. Well, my body's been a mess. I miss you ginger hair and the way you like the dress. Oh, why don't you come on over, girl? Stop making a fool out of me. Girl, why don't you come on over? Hey, Valerie. Hey.
You want to be in my video? Come on over, Valerie. Squat you must. Let's move to the. We came up to the Dells. The weather sucks. We just rode the Medusa. Now we're in this part. It might eat you. Me Bartlett with the kids. Yeah, my hands been hurting after we did all the tracks. Let's see if I can get it. It's like a this one's really doing it, wow. It's the stainless steel. I guess that one's weight is so different, I can really smell the weight of the wash. There you go. Slide a little up to me.
3:37 p.m.
Slide a little up.
3:37 p.m.
Let me mess with this one. The mouth.
3:37 p.m.
I'm gonna turn you. Nothing's on.
2:38 p.m.
Original core module of the Russian Mir space station. Cool. Ooh. When I go inside the spaceship, Norman E. Thagard, MD, astronaut. Oh. Whoa. Oh, really? Oh. I can see a robot moving. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Mission to Mars. Come this way. Keep coming this way. That's